Welcome to my StormGain review. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest review about StormGain. If you can make money here with StormGain by trading or by mining Bitcoin here, guys. Okay, so but first of all, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. Now let's talk about StormGain. So StormGain is a good alternative company similar like Binance or like blockchain or like Coinbase or like Luno. So what you can do here with StormGain, you can trade with Bitcoin. You can trade here. This is a trading platform that you can trade cryptocurrencies here on StormGain, and also you can also mine Bitcoin here. That's how you can make money here on StormGain. You can also get Bitcoin for free by mining, guys, here on StormGain. So it's easy to do. You can also go to stormgain.com and create your own free account, and you can also download this cloud-based software to mine Bitcoin. Is gonna be consuming some data, and as you're gonna be getting free Bitcoin every day. So what you can see here is an all-in-one crypto app with Bitcoin cloud miner, crypto trading with leverage up to 300x, Bitcoin cloud mining, crypto exchange. You can also exchange some crypto here with StormGain. You can also buy and sell Bitcoin. You can also buy Ethereum or Luno or Dogecoin. There are so many coins that you can exchange here and also that you can buy. Okay, you can also mine Bitcoin and free Bitcoin daily. No battery or the CPU drain, no mining equipment, frequency, fast and cloud free. So you can also mine Bitcoin here. Now let's talk about how you can also make money here with StormGain. You can also refer some people, some users who want to exchange Bitcoin here. You'll be getting some commission here whenever someone buys on your link using StormGain. So those are some of the ways that you can also earn Bitcoin here on StormGain. Okay, but this is legit. Yes, this is a legit company. As I said earlier on to you, this is a good alternative way like Binance, you know, because with Binance it is not easy to create an account because you have to do all of the verifications, like an ID verification. So here to sign up, you just sign up with your email address and confirm the email. You are good to go. So this is a good alternative way to Binance and also to Coinbase, you know, because some of the other platforms, they're not available all over the world. So but here it is available all over the world. And that's what I like about this. There is zero trading commission here. What I like about StormGain is zero trading commissions, and also you'll be getting signals like stop loss and leverage and take profit. All of those things you'll be getting here on StormGain. You can also check the high volatilities in the last 12 hours, like ApeCoin. You can see the cost, and also if they got a decrease in around 3%. And also WorldCoin, you can also check the draft here. What is the increase or decrease? You can also check the sandbox, and also you can see that it is a 1% increase. You can also buy these kind of coins here if you want to make some money to invest, to buy these kind of coins here on StormGain, guys. Okay, so you can see here also it's going to be showing you the cost, the price here, all of those things. You can also check the draft and you see if it's going up or down, or if it's a good coin to buy or it's a good coin to invest, guys, so that you can get some profit. So what else we need to check? Now let's check about how you can also make money here on StormGain. As I said earlier on to you, that you have to mine some Bitcoin here. Yeah, like it's gonna be mining on your behalf. It's gonna be mining on your behalf on StormGain. It's gonna be mining on your behalf. Let's wait here. So this is how you can also mine Bitcoin. So this is how you can also mine Bitcoin here on StormGain. Bitcoin cloud miner in the 24 hours. So as you can see that you can also do some draft here with this mining speed. See how you can also make money here on StormGain, guys. Okay, you can see that if you make it 2x, it's gonna be showing you that you'll be making $1 USD per day, per week $9 USD, per month up to $40, guys. Okay, that's how you can make money here on StormGain. But guys, if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money online from home without money in Bitcoin or without risking the money, because with crypto it is risky, it is a high risky to put your money there on cryptocurrencies. So if you want to make money online from home, guys, okay, I click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I'll send it to you into your email inbox. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you sharp, guys.